what if the guy whose job it is to take the scapegoat on the Day of Atonement and toss the scapegoat off into the wilderness, what if a guy decides not to do it? And he's just attached to the goat, and he doesn't want to send the goat off. And I think that was my way of asking the questions that I dared not ask about the fact that by the age of 13, I knew who I was attracted to. I knew that it was an abomination and it was a taboo that was not even to be spoken. I was in New York City at the time, in Manhattan, and so I was exposed to a great deal of opportunities. This is early 80s. And writing about the scapegoat